I love the photos I had with this museum. I love the photographer because he instructed us how to pose. The show is so magical and nostalgic. This is a memorable place to visit and I am glad I was able to go here before they close. Felt like we were in another country. Hope they reopen and offer all files photo packages up front because the whole place was so nice you really want to buy all your photos after hee. The show was also nice sauna. There's 2 shows hee. Adults and kids had so much fun. Pagode na pagode kami after hee. I love that you can book the Tales of Illumina on the same day. The process was easy, just show the QR code and proof of payment. We honestly didn't expect much at first, but it completely exceeded our expectations. The staff were very accommodating, taking pictures of us and suggesting fun poses. There was even a fantastic live performance, which made us feel that the experience was worth far more than what we paid. We highly recommend this 100%. Finally visited this place after so much attempts. Going here this Valentine's Day was a blast. The staffs are very friendly, and most all they are very accommodating. I hope we will be able to visit this place again with our little one. In your new location, red heart emoji. This activity is ideal mostly for kids since most of the activities, especially about the history of Philippine culture, are meant for them. But I really love the idea that 2 old cinemas were converted into an interactive museum. I love also the Instagrammable spots as well, which young adults mostly enjoy in the age of digital era. Such a beautiful place. I'm awe with its creativity, showing our alma mater, and people are so friendly and their photographer is so supportive with all your photos. I'm so impressed with all the efforts they have shown and love their performance show at the end of the tour. I was also sang a happy birthday song with dancers surrounding me. So happy with the experience, smiley face emoji. My cousins and I had an amazing time here. Smile. There were so many Instagrammable areas and I would recommend visiting this place to other fantasy enjoyers like me. Unfortunately, I didn't see some of the displays that were there before, based on a vlog I watched, but it's still worth visiting. The staff were also kind and friendly, especially the ones taking photos and those who assisted us while making keychains using hama beads. It was like in a dream. It went beyond my expectation, and the ticket price is worth the experience. It made our Saturday worthwhile. Thanks to Klook and to all the wonderful and accommodating staff. They made sure that our every pose in every corner was captured. Red heart emoji. We went here for my brother's birthday. This place did go beyond my expectations. Sobrang ganda and mababait ang staffs, may live pa during that day after our tour. I'm so in love with the place. Kaya worth it kahit sobrang layo sa amin. Pink heart emoji, will definitely recommend and it will not disappoint. Very interactive place and perfect for family bonding. It was fun. We managed to watch their show on the first part of their tour. Sadly the other show were already done, but still the area was worth it. The photographer is great at capturing and guiding us on what to do in order to get a perfect shot for our photo. Very nice educational activity for kids. Staffs are accommodating and live performance during our tour is entertaining. We'll recommend to our friends with kids and also those who are kid at heart. Red heart emoji, thanks so much. The whole family celebrated our son's birthday. The kids really enjoyed their live performance, which was quite entertaining, and the family also appreciated the attractions. Bravo to all of their employees. The crew and personnel are incredibly kind and accommodating. A worthwhile and undoubtedly unforgettable trip for children and children at heart. We had so much fun. Spent my birthday here and it was awesome. All the staff were super nice and accommodating and the dance performance of the artists was incredible. It was worth every single penny. We will definitely come back. It was magical and an out-of-this-world experience. We felt like we stepped to a different planet. Haha. We loved Tales of Illumina. Heartsuit emoji, heartsuit emoji, heartsuit emoji. One of the best experiences of my life. And I have been around the globe. I cannot understand why it's not full of people. The mythology, the history, the show. Everything about this place is pure magic. Please, go. You won't forget it.